Hello viewers, many people actually want to buy a tablet with very good discounts, but most of the users do not know the exact or best price of tablets. The reason behind is that the price of tablets fluctuates a lot. So today in this video I will tell you top 3 tablets that you can buy under the price point of 20,000 rupees. Currently the price of most of the tablets are on the higher side, so I will tell you the best price. When you will get offers, you can grab these tablets at this price point. The first tablet in the list is Oneplus Pad Lite. This is a very good tablet to buy. The battery life of this tablet is very good, however the display quality is mediocre. The best price of 128GB with 8GB RAM version will be around 13,000 rupees during sale, maybe Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Festival. The second tablet in the list is Xiaomi Pad 7. You may say that the price of Xiaomi Pad 7 is not 20,000 rupees, but I think the price of this tablet will definitely decrease and you will get to buy this tablet under 20,000 rupees in Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale. This is a all-round mid-range tablet. The next tablet that you can buy is Motorola Pad 60 Pro. However, the price of Motorola Pad 60 Pro for the 128GB is around 23,000 rupees, but during sale, maybe Big Billion Days sale, you can grab Moto Pad 60 Pro under the price point of 20,000 rupees. So these 3 tablets can be bought under 20,000 rupees. There are other options like Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus, Realme Pad 5, Oppo Pad, but I think these 3 options are better. So wait for the right offers and you will get your best tablet under the best price point. I will let you know if there is any tablet deal, so stay subscribed with notification bell on. So in my next video I will talk about videos under 30,000 price bracket that you can buy during sale, so stay tuned for that video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.